Hey, hi, Saurabh. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so have you installed Tableau?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So today we are going to talk about how to connect to the data and all those things. Okay, so I will show you how to connect with the data. So if you go to the data here, just select on the new data source. Currently, we will connect with the CSV file. So if you want to connect with the CSV file, go to this text file. Okay, and just say all files here. So wherever you have installed your Tableau in documents folder, okay, you will be having a Tableau repository. Okay. Uh, so I will just show you documents, my Tableau repository. So in the documents, my Tableau repository, I think you can't see that. So if you go to the documents, there would be my Tableau repository. If you go here, there would be some sample databases. Okay. So go to the data sources, go to this. So you will find some sample Excel files. So go select this sample superstore. I will to connect.
It is an Excel file, I think.
You try in your thing. Can you able to connect? I don't know. Some access issues are giving me a problem.
Okay, I will try.
So, yeah, so this is an Excel file, sorry. It was an Excel files. If it is a CSV file, then go to text file. Otherwise, if it's an Excel file where you have multiple sheets, then go to Microsoft Excel and then select this particular file. You can able to see that connection here. Okay. Now it will show you all the tables which are listed in that particular Excel file. So you just drag and drop the tables here. It will show you a data. Okay, whatever it is there in that particular sheet. Okay, you will able to see that data and all the columns. Okay, so here what you can do is here itself also you can add some filters. So for example, now you want to filter the data based on certain business logic. You can add the filters here. So for example, for the order date, I'm saying okay, take years, and that filter, like, for what all years you want the data to be uh, seen on your dashboard. So you just select that many years. I am just skipping to 2021. So I'll just say 2022, 23, 24. I say okay. And this data will be filtered automatically. Okay. And now only the data from 2022 to 2024 will be available for your visualization purpose. So sometimes what happens is when you are connecting with the raw data, it would be lots and lots of data, and you may not require all the data for your dashboard. So you can put the filters here. You can add the filters here. Okay, you just go to edit, and you can add as many filters as you want. Okay, and then you can take the required data, whatever is needed for your dashboard building, and then you can proceed with the designing part. Okay, so if you want to remove this, just select that particular filter option and let's say remove and say okay. Now you have this orders, filters, data ready. And now if you want to add other tables also to this particular data, just drag people. For example, I'm dragging the people here. Automatically, it will identify the relationship. You need not to go and manually add the relationship. It will go and add the relationship automatically. Okay. So how it has So it will identify which of the variables are same. Okay. So if I see here, the orders to people, okay, has been deleted here. I'm going and second. Okay. Here you can edit the relationship. For example, for the orders table, I'm taking the region. From the people table, I'm taking the region. Okay. So these are the two columns on which I want to join these two tables. So automatically it has picked up those two variables because those two variables are having the same name. If they are having a different names, then you can just go and select whatever variable you feel is the appropriate variable to join the tables. You can just add that. You can add more fields, you can add more relationships, okay, all that you can do. Performance options. Okay, this is more from a database point of view. Okay, cardinality. Cardinality means, to what level of relationship you want. Is it many to many or one to many? That kind of relationship you can specify in this particular performance options. Okay, so the good part with this is what you can do is in the original data only, you can make sure that the variables are mentioned in the with the same nomenclature so that it will pick up automatically. If not, then you have to go and manually you have to go and specify which variables you want to use, to join the tables. For now, I'll just remove this. I'll just go with only single table. Now, if you go here, okay, I have a lot of connections. Okay, so currently the one which I've just considered the order table is this particular data source. Okay, and now it shows what all variables are there in this particular second. Yeah. Okay, so what all variables are there in the this particular sheet? What I can do is I'll just open the new one. Might be confusing to you guys. So this is my new file. I'll go here, Microsoft Excel. I'll select the file. Okay. And I will just click it here. As soon as you move this table, your sheet will get enabled. Go here. Yeah. Here, if you see, all the variables are listed here. So in this particular table, you will have all these columns. And if you see, there is some kind of a segregation has happened. Okay, so some of the variables are listed down in blue, and some of the uh, variables are listed in the bottom, which have been marked as green. And here, if you see, there are some icons in blue color, which has been assigned to these variables. So let's understand how these are assigned. When you say ABC, when it is there in front of the variable, it means that particular variable is a categorical variable. Saurabh, are you there? Okay, it's a categorical variable, and if you see a map here, that means it's a geographical location. Saurabh, are you there?